So maybe you're installing a system for the first time and your user has hesitation about putting in an IP advanced system. With Audit Trail, the system administrator has full control over what users can do and can't do. Now to get into Audit Trail, go back into System Administration, and you can see, so you can allow them the access, right? We showed the different access levels. But let's say you want to just keep an eye on what's going on with your users. So what we can see here, we see that I was watching live, I logged in today, we see that admin was here. So if you want to see what I was watching live, you can select that and you can actually play the clip. And then it's going to pull up, this is incredible, look at this. It's going to pull up the audit replay in a separate tab. So it's saying I'm looking at my audit trail. So we can see when people logged in, what IP address, what camera they've connected to. This is an extremely powerful tool for system administrators to see if somebody's abusing the system. We know several incidents have come off of a customer system and ended up on YouTube. This is a great way to regulate your system to make sure that it's being used appropriately. If you're in a situation where you have members of the opposite sex that are concerned, or even minors, this is a great resource and a great tool to keep an eye on.